Hi Megan, this is Jackie in the library. I'm the library director here at Blue Mountain Community College, and I just got your email forwarded to me by one of my staff. Looks like you sent it Sunday, so I know this is a day later. I hope it's still useful for you. It looks like you were looking for a book review or analysis for an assignment you're doing for Writing 115. You might want to write back to me and tell me a little bit more about your assignment if this video isn't helpful, but a book review is something, really particular. It's going to give you, a bit of, and you probably know this maybe, it's an overview of the book. It might have a little bit of analysis. It can really vary from that really short book review. We see them in Amazon all the time, these short reviews, to longer reviews, and some start even verging into some analysis. So what I'm going to take you to is one of our databases that really specifies or has the option to specify a document type, and you can limit to book reviews. And I'll let you pick and choose based on your knowledge of the assignment. But give me a call. My number is 278-5916. Send me an email. My email is just jray, J-R-A-Y, at bluecc.edu. If you still need some more information, I'm here to help. So to get started, you'll start at the college homepage. From here, you'll click on Library. And from Library, you'll scroll down and we'll click on Library Databases. And also here in our library databases, here's how to get a hold of me. Here's my number. Here's my email. So where we're going to go is to our top library databases. And the one I find very useful in this case is Academic Search Complete. So we'll click there. And when you click there, you'll see, let me move the screen over a little bit. When you get here, you'll see, the search box. That's where you'll put in your search. I'm guessing you have a title in mind already. If not, that's that's another question to think of the title you need to look for. But as you scroll down, as I mentioned, you can sort by document type. And you can sort just right down here, book review. There you go. And we're going to come back up here, and this is where, you put in a title. I just The Hunger Games. Right? That's a book and a movie and all that. You might want to be careful if a book has been turned into a film that you're actually getting a review of the book. So that's just something to be mindful of. I should specify that because that happens quite a bit. So, so these are the titles of the book reviews. As you can see, some of them are a little. This one looks fairly long. It looks, a little bit more analytical here. And I can see here this is an 11-page article. That's what that 11P means. So again, not sure exactly what you're looking for, but I just want to point out so you know what to look for. I can see right here, this is from School Library Journal. That's the title of the publication right here. I can also see it's only one page, or well, there's two pages with one photograph. So that's more that maybe that brief book review. So I'm going to go ahead and just click on this one just to show you what it looks like once you're actually here. So what you'll see is, so that's the title of the review. You can see that it came from School Library Journal. It looks like it's, if I click on any of these, it would take me to more reviews on that, which is helpful. So to get to the actual article, this is available both in HTML or PDF full text. So since it's in HTML, all I have to do is scroll down. And there it is, very short. There it is, almost like what you would find at the back of the book. And the PDF, same thing, would be very short. I'm going to move the screen over a little bit because what's on the right-hand side of the screen is all these tools. And probably the most useful tool that anybody uses is the Cite tool. I'm going to click there. That gives you a list of how this article or book review would probably appear in your Works Cited page. And since it's Writing 115, you're using MLA, so just scroll down to the citation type you're using, and there it is. I will say for the most part, your faculty are fine if you stop right there. They don't really necessarily want this whole messy URL. It's kind of messy, but that's in general what you would use for your citation, so that's extremely helpful. I will say, you can send it right to your Google Drive account. If you have a Gmail, you can email these. A lot of people like to do a lot of research at once and then just email the articles to themselves. I forgot to mention one important thing. I don't know if you have a library card. I hope this makes, I hope the database makes sense. It's kind of easy. Just play with your title and the book review. That being said, it's easy. I use it all the time, so it might not be easy for you. So don't take that with a grain of salt. But let me show you. You do need a library card, and let me go back to our library homepage here. That's where we started. So you probably remember college homepage. Clicked on library. You need a library card because if you're trying to access that database that I just showed you, the Academic Search Complete at home, you're going to be prompted for a library card number. And I'm sorry, I forgot to contact you with that information, or start with that information. So you'll just click on How Do I, or Services and Support. You'll fill out the new patron registration form, and we'll review it, and what we'll send you back in an email is a 14-digit number, starts with a 25410, and when you're off campus, if say you clicked on Academic Search Complete to start your research, the first thing that would come up would be a big blue box that says enter your library card number. You would put that in, and then you're set. So again, yeah, just give me a call or an email if you need some more help. But I hope this is a good start and you feel comfortable with it. If not, give me a call. We'll talk it through. Okay, take care.